Good morning, Susan. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to discuss our plans for recruiting 2 new salesmen for the company. I've noticed that our sales team has been stretched thin lately, and it's impacting our growth targets.
Good morning, John. I completely agree. The current workload on the sales team is unsustainable, and we need to bring in fresh talent to meet our goals. I've already started outlining a recruitment strategy, but I'd like to hear your thoughts and expectations for these new hires.
Thank you for taking the initiative, Susan. First, I think it's essential that we find candidates with a proven track record in sales. They should have a solid understanding of our industry, products, and services. Ideally, they should be able to hit the ground running.
I agree, John. Experience is crucial in this role, especially given our competitive market. I'm also thinking of targeting our competitors' sales teams for potential candidates who may be looking for new opportunities. That way, we can tap into the existing network and knowledge base.
That's a good strategy, Susan. Let's make sure we look beyond their resume. I'd like to see how they fit into our company culture. We've always prided ourselves on a collaborative and customer-centric approach. So, candidates should be a good cultural fit as well.
Absolutely, John. Cultural fit is vital for long-term success in any role. I'll ensure that we incorporate behavioral interview questions that assess their alignment with our values and work environment.
Great. What about the technical skills required for this position? Are there any specific tools or systems they need to be familiar with?
Yes, we should definitely consider that. Our CRM system is essential for tracking and managing customer relationships, so familiarity with it would be a plus. I'll also add that experience with any industry-specific software or tools would be advantageous.
Good point, Susan. Now, what's the timeline for this recruitment process? I know we need these new salesmen as soon as possible, but we also want to ensure we make the right hires.
I'm thinking we can start by posting the job openings this week, and then we'll keep them open for applications for 3 weeks. That should give us a good pool of candidates to choose from. After that, we can have initial screenings and interviews during the following 2 weeks, narrowing down the list.
Sounds reasonable. Once we've identified potential candidates, I'd like to be involved in the final interviews. I want to make sure they align with our vision and long-term objectives.
Of course, John. Your input in the final selection is crucial. We'll arrange for you to meet the shortlisted candidates. After that, we can proceed with reference checks and background screenings.
Excellent. Let's also make sure to provide a competitive compensation package to attract top talent. Salary, commission structure, and benefits should all be competitive within our industry.
Agreed, John. We'll work closely with our finance department to ensure we offer an attractive package. It's important to highlight these benefits during the recruitment process to entice the best candidates.
Perfect. I appreciate your proactive approach to this, Susan. I have confidence that together we can find the right candidates to help us achieve our sales goals.
Thank you, John. I'm excited about this recruitment process and the opportunity to strengthen our sales team. I'll keep you updated every step of the way, and we'll work together to bring in the best salesmen for our company.
That's what I like to hear, Susan. Let's get started on this, and I'm looking forward to seeing the positive impact these new team members will have on our company's growth.